Hello everyone. So today's question is reverse linked list 2 and it is day 23 of June LeetCode challenge, and the question is given the head of the singly linked list and two integers left and right where left is less than equal to right, we need to reverse the nodes of the list from position left to position right and return the reversed linked list. So in example 1 we are given a list 1 2 3 4 5 and we are given the position of left as 2 and right as 4, and we need to reverse this list from 2 to 4 position, which is 2 3 4 to 4 3 2, and we need to return this list. So it is written as 1 4 3 2 5. So let's see how we can do this, how we can reverse a list and what is the algorithm for that, and let's see how we can code this. So here if you see we are having a linked list 1 2 3 4 5, and we need to change this list from the position 2 to position 4, which is we need to return 4 3 2 instead of 2 3 4, and the left half will remain same and the right half will remain same. So first of all, if I can see the left half is same and the right half is same, so we need to go to the first position where we want to change the list. So if you see in this case 2 is the first index from which the links are getting changed. So I will go one node back to the position from where we need to change our list. So here if you see our position was from 2 to 4, so I will go to first position. So here it is, which is our head indeed, and what I will do, I will from this point I will run my algorithm for reversing a linked list to this point. So 5 will remain same and this 1 will remain same, but the between links will change. So let's see how we will change this links. So here if you come, you see from 2 we will so let's assume we have traversed till the previous node of the left position. So now then we will initialize 2 pointer. So now my temp is at one first node, so let's say it is my temp, and now I will initialize 3 pointers, so p1 p2 and p3. p1 will be temp of next, so it is pointing to 2. p2 will be p1 of next, so it is pointing to 3. Now this is the logic to reverse the linked list. So what we will do, we will say p2 of next, which means this link. So we will cut this link and it will be p1. So which is p1? So this is p1. So the new link is 3 to 2. Seems fine. And after this, now by doing this, we have lost the link to the fourth node. Now how will we go to the fourth node? So we will store this link in a p3 pointer before doing this step. So I will again take a p3 pointer and I will store the address of the next node. So it will be fourth node. So I will say p3 is pointing to 4. So this way we can reserve the links to the next even if we delete this link. So now our p1 will be p2. So now our p1 will be p2. So this will become p1 and this will become p2, and my 5 will become p3. So this is p3, and now I will do the same step again. So what I will say, I will say p2 of next is p1. So here p2 is 4 and p1 is 3. So p2 of next will be cut. So this link we will cut and this will be 3. So how many times I need to repeat this step? I need to repeat this step n minus m times, where n is the right boundary and m is the left boundary. So I will do it for 2 times. So you see 2 times we need to change the links. So now links are 1 is pointing to 2 and 3 is pointing to 2, 4 is pointing to, so these are the new links in the red one. So this is the current state of our linked list after we have reverse them. Now 5 is pointing to nothing, but now my p1 is 4. So let's take them in a green marker. So now my p1 link is 4, my p2 is on 5, and my p3 is pointing to null. So my p3 is null. Now what I need to do, so here if you see we will take this now because it is quite messy right now. So now we need to say my 1 should be linked to 4. So if you see, this is the final. So in this case 1 is linked to 4. Now how we can go from 1 to 4? So you see 4 is having a pointer p1. So we will say now my temp value will be temp of next, which is temp is now 1, so temp of next will be 4. So I will say this link is should be added. So temp of next will be 4. And now how we will link this 2 to 5? So this 2 to 5 should be linked. So to link this, I will store this variable. So I will say before going into reversing the change, so before going into the loop where I am reversing the list, I will store the value of temp of next. So earlier temp of next was 2. So now this store variable will point to this 5. So this is how our list will be created. So 1 is pointing to 4, 4 is pointing to 3, 3 is pointing to 2, and then 2 is pointing to 5. So this is how our new list will look like, and we will see a result like this. So one thing we need to think about is, if our position itself is 1, then what will be the one node back of it? So we don't have a one node back of it if our list has to reverse from the head position itself. So in this case we will require a dummy node. So let's mark it as a dummy node. So if our position is head itself, we will say I will mark my node as dummy node. So this dummy node will be temp now. So it will be temp, and then the links are changed with respect to this only. So this dummy node is there to help us in the case where the head is starting node itself. So head is the left position itself. So for this, if we use the same algorithm, it will fail for this case. So we will need to have a dummy node. So I think the algorithm is clear and how we will change our links. So let's look at the code for this. So here I have written the code of this. So initially my head, if my head is null, then I will return null, because it means I was having no list at all. If my m is equals to n, this means the starting and the end position to reverse are same, which means I need to reverse anything. So if you see, there is example 5, the left is 1 and the right is 1. So reversing from 5 to 5 will make no sense. So it will be same itself. So we will return head. After this, I will define a dummy node, which is a new node, and initialize it to 0, and I will say dummy of next is equal to head. So now you see this will make this link. So dummy of next is pointing to head. Now I will go to first m minus n nodes, and I will say temp is equals to temp of next. So now my temp will be pointing to one node back of the left position. So left position was 2, now my temp is pointing to this 1. Now what I will do, I will store this value. So temp of next, I will store in the variable store. So the link to temp of next, which is 2, I have stored in a variable, so that after the end of my everything, I will say store of next is equal to this 5. Also I have defined p1 and p2 pointers as we have discussed in the algorithm, and I have written the same line of codes here, which will in fact reverse my linked list, and I need to do it for n minus m times. After doing that, I will say store of next is equals to p2 and temp of next is equals to p1. We have seen these links, how we will change the links, and after that I will say return dummy of next. What is dummy of next? So you will see dummy of next is equals to head. So this is how we will code this out, and it got accepted. So we have doing it in a one pass. So it is also the optimal solution. So there was a follow-up that could you do in the one pass. So it was indeed one pass, and we did this solution. So thank you everyone. This was it for today. Reverse linked list 2.